सिर्फ डेटाबेस बना देने से कुछ नहीं होता। डेटा को प्रॉपर्ली स्टोर करने के लिए टेबल्स भी चाहिए। So this is the art of learning SQL in these days. And today we'll create a first SQL table. Now in the last video we learned SQL command categories. And remember, create command DDL category के अंदर आता है. So let's open MySQL workbench. And first select the database using the query use database name. Now to create a table, we use the create table command. Syntax looks like this. Create table, table underscore name, column underscore name, data type. Now let's create a real table. Create table users, ID int primary key, username varchar50, followers int. And after executing the query, refresh the left panel, and boom, our table is successfully created. Now let's understand this properly. Users is the table name. ID is a column which stores numbers using int data type. And primary key means every ID should be unique. And honestly, keys are a very important SQL concept. So don't worry. I'm also creating a complete PDF where I'll explain all SQL keys, their uses, proper explanations and visualizations. So go through it before our next video, because then the upcoming SQL concepts will become much easier to understand. Then username uses varchar. Varchar is used for text values like usernames, names or emails. And followers is again int because follower count is numeric data. There are many more data types in SQL like date, float and more. So instead of making this reel too long, I created a complete PDF where I explained all SQL data types. Now our database and table are finally ready. But there's one problem. The table is completely empty. So in day 8, we'll insert real data into this table and learn how to fetch it using SQL queries. So don't forget to follow, otherwise you'll miss the most important part.